जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्म संयम योगमु 4th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, until you get Atma Sakshatkaram, you have to keep performing all your actions without expecting fruits. Then, once you attain Atma Sakshatkaram, in order to strengthen that, you have to be doing 3 things. One is, do not be attached to the mundane pleasures, worldly objects. And second thing is, do not perform any actions to gain material objects and enjoy these mundane pleasures. Third one is, do not have a thought to own all the fruits of all your actions. Do not have that desire. That is known as sankalpam. If you do these 3 things, you will be able to sustain with your Atma Sakshatkaram. Then you will be known as Yogarudha. Like this, Krishna Paramatma helping us understand how to attain Atma Sakshatkaram and how to sustain with that Atma Sakshatkaram. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yada hi cha indriyardheshu na karmasu anushajjate sarva sankalpa sannyasi yogarudhaha tadochyate. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, now Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma taught Srimad Bhagavatam to Chaturmukha Brahma, and then Paramatma disappeared. With the power of that teachings, Chaturmukha Brahma started doing the entire creation, that job. Sarva bhutamayo visvam sasajjedam sapurvavat. As and how in the previous kalpam era, how the srishti was, the same srishti now Chaturmukha Brahma could do because of the power of effect of Paramatma's teachings. And after that, after doing creation to have everyone safe, Chaturmukha Brahma started practicing Bhagavata Dharmam. Then what happened is, O Parikshin Narendra, tam Naradaha Priyatamo. Once upon a time, Narada came to Chaturmukha Brahma. Chanudenchi Tanri Kim Priyamonaranga Susrushanambulonarchi. Narada Maharshi did seva to Chaturmukha Brahma and asked, O Brahmadeva, can you please explain me the glory, the strength, the power, the greatness, the supremacy of Sri Mahavishnu? When Narada Maharshi asked like that, Brahma felt so happy for all the service that Narada did, and then Brahma taught Idam Bhagavatam Puranam Desalakshanam. Brahma taught Puranam, Bhagavata Puranam to Narada Maharshi. O Parikshin Narendra, this Bhagavata Puranam has 10 qualities, Desalakshanam. After that, Narada Maharshi went to Vyasa Maharshi. Where is he, Vyasa Maharshi now? He is Sarasvatyaha Tate. He is on the banks of Saraswati river. What he is doing there? Dhyayate Brahma Paramam. He is in meditation of Sriman Narayana. Haripada Dhyana Parinudu Atmavedi Prakata Tejasvi Yagubadarayanudu. Vyasa Maharshi doing dhyanam upon Sriman Narayana. Vyasa Maharshi meditating upon the essence of all the Vedas. Now Narada Maharshi went to such Vyasa Maharshi who has unlimited glow, divine glow. Vyasaya Amita Tejase. So Narada Maharshi went to Vyasa Maharshi and taught this entire Bhagavatam to Vyasa Maharshi. O Parikshin Narendra, Vyasa is my father. He taught that Bhagavatam to me. O Parikshin Narendra, because you asked me, I am now going to teach this very confidential, divine Bhagavatam to you. This Bhagavatam has 10 lakshanas, 10 aspects. Atra sargo visargascha sthanam poshana vutayah मन्वन्तर ईश अनुकथाः निरोधः मुक्तिः आश्रयः सर्ग विसर्ग स्थान पोषण ऊत मन्वंतर कथा परमात्मा's activities nirodha mukti ashraya. These are the 10 aspects of Srimad Bhagavatam. Now I am going to teach you that Bhagavatam. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra saying to Parikshit Narendra, what happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Dara Vara Karavara Sutate तनूजो विरिञ्चिः स्तोता वेदस्तव सुरगणो भृत्यवर्गः प्रसादः मुक्तिर्माया जगदविकलं तावकी देवकी ते माता मित्रं बलरिपुसुत स्त्वय्यतोऽन्यं न जाने कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter 4th श्लोका. यदा हि च इन्द्रियार्थेषु न कर्मसु अनुषज्जते सर्वसंकल्प सन्यासी योगारूढ़ः तदोच्यते. यदा हि चेन्द्रियार्थेषु न कर्मस्वनुषज्जते सर्वसंकल्प सन्यासी योगारूढ़स्तदोच्यते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.